In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a report in ClickUp. Now, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the easiest ones you can use. So the first one is going to be to actually open your space over here and then your list or whatever of your tasks or whatever you're working on. And then from here, you want to click on the three dots here next to the name. And then you want to go to where it says templates, hover over it, and you want to click on here where it says apply a template. Now, when you do this, it's going to open different templates over here. And what you want to do is search for reports, okay? So up top, you can go to search templates and just type in report. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to find you a bunch of different ones. So if any of these reports is something you want to see or create, like a project status report, SEO report, end of day, interview, there's a bunch of different ones. You can just click on it and create that specific report, okay? So I'm just going to go with, for example, a project status report. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on use template up top. And of course, you have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one report 1, and of course you can select where you want this to be created, what you want to import, etc., and then click on use template, and it's going to start applying your template over here, and then it's going to give you your finished report whenever that's done. Okay, so there we go. As you can see here, we have report 1. If I go and click on this report 1, which should also open up automatically, you'll see that it's going to basically show you your report. Okay, so that's basically one way to do this. If I go in here, project status report is up top, I can click on it, and now there we go. You can also create a whiteboard if you wanna. I'm just going to go and click on the X button over here, and there we go. This is going to give you like your report on here on this great little dashboard. Okay, so that's essentially the first way to do this. However, if you want to create your own one using dashboard, you could also do this. So if I go to a dashboard over here on the left, I can click on it, and then from here, when you click on the dashboard, you can create a new one top right, and you can then go and basically select any of these over here, or you can start from scratch. So I'm gonna go start from scratch over here, and again I'm going to look for like report over here. There's gonna be a bunch of different ones in here as well. So if you want to use any of these, you can click on them and use them, or you could just go and start from scratch. I'm just gonna start with a task list over here. You have to select your locations, of course, and then you can click on add card. Whenever you do that, it's going to give you like a dashboard over here where you can basically see this is kind of a report. You can go and enable edit mode, and then you can go and add different cards. You can apply different filters up top over here, change things, etc. Okay, so those are the two ways to create a report in ClickUp. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.